Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this.
Blackness, that black power, that black pushing them to identify. We are the most beautiful creatures in the whole world, black people. I mean that in every sense.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, my Michelle, and I am back here with another video. Y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do knotless faux locks. I did a faux lock tutorial video on this channel before, but those are just regular faux locks without anything added. And these are knotless faux locks, and the reason why I really like these a whole lot better than when faux locks first started coming out and when they first started becoming popular is because these look so much neater. They last a whole lot longer, and like I said, they give like a real neater look to them. You know, it still gives it a little bit of a bohemian vibe because it's a little bit distressed, but not too much distressed. And they look neater, and they look like they last longer. Like, y'all, all the items that you will be needing to do this hair is just in the video, and I will list everything in the description box below. This is 36 inches, y'all. It's long, so you don't have to get it as long as I usually get them, but it's hot girl summer, so we're going to make them long. Yes. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see in my next video. Without further ado, without being said, let's get right on into this. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I have nicely fresh, clean, washed hair, and I sectioned my head into 3 different parts. I went ahead and did the back of my head because it's not gonna be that easy me showing y'all the back of my head, and the locks are long, y'all. And make sure when y'all parting, please part clean. Make sure these parts are real nice and clean.
And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see.
All right, so before we go ahead and get started, I just want to take a quick break to tell y'all what I'm using to create this look. So I'm going to be using Bobby Box new locks. I use about 2.5 pack of the 36-inch ones. Yes, y'all, we are going long today. I also used a pack of Expressions Cuban Spring Twist pack hair that you can get from the beauty supply store, and I'm also using some hair jam. So make sure y'all get these items to create this look. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and start on the left side of my head. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just parting a row, and I just like to section my hair off row by row. I know some people like to part and plait their entire head before, you know, putting on the locks, but I kind of find when I do row by row, I get a good idea of how much locks or how many locks I want to put in my head. It's your choice. It's really honestly a personal preference.
Can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I would be.
So once you part your hair in the desired, you know, parted section that you are parting your hair, you're just going to plait your hair on down. So then I'm just going to be taking my crochet needle, and I'm going to be pushing my crochet needle through the base of the plait. Once I've done that, I'm going to be taking one of my locks, and the loop of the lock, I'm just going to hook it in the hook, close that latch, and pull that lock right on through the base of my little plait. So then once that is done, I'm just going to be taking the whole of my lock, and I'm just going to be slip knotting my plaited hair in the lock, and you're going to pull it. Make sure you pull it pretty tight. Okay, so once that is done, I'm just going to be taking a very small section of my Cuban spring twist hair, and I'm just going to take my hair, the lock, and a small piece of that Cuban twist hair, and I'm going to be started to twist it around the base of my lock, as you guys can see. And you want to twist pretty tight because, you know, you want your hair to have a tight effect. And as I'm showing you right now, I am twisting this Cuban hair straight over the knotted part. So it's going to make it invisible, and it's going to give it the illusion that this lock is knotless and it doesn't have a knot. So I'm just going to go pretty tight along, you know, my hair, so my hair doesn't stick out. My hair is short, so when it's short, it tends to stick out a lot more than if my hair was longer. And I'm just going to be moving straight down the lock. Once I pretty much pass the length of my hair, I'm just going to be kind of loosely but tightly at the same time twisting down the lock to give it a crinkly, you know, give it a different style to this soft or faux lock, as you can see, compared to the rest of the locks that is currently in my head. So then I'm just going to be taking a little bit more, because I did unfortunately pick up the shorter pack of hair, and I'm just going to be finishing all the way down my lock, y'all. And as simple as that, that is exactly how you do it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a slowed down tutorial one more time, so you guys can still get, you know, a good understanding of how to complete this style. I think this style is a lot easier than the regular way, because you don't have to unravel the lock and wrap the lock around your hair. You can just, you know, tie your hair on in.
Turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, sounds I'm going out the heat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in a...
So that is how you do the style. And so right now I am just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my head. Mind you, y'all, I did not tell y'all that it is literally like I started doing my hair at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I did not get done with doing my hair until about 5 o'clock in the morning. Y'all was so tired. I was so tired, but your girl got it done. That's all that matters, because I can't be walking around here without my hair done. Like, I just can't. I can't be walking around here without my hair done.
Turn the soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Y'all, it is 5 o'clock in the morning and I just finished my hair. 5 o'clock in the morning. But baby, my hair looks good. It looks good. So I'm just going to be taking some peppermint oil. Pretty much use whatever oil that you really want to use. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay that on in my head. Ever since I got a relaxer, I stopped doing, you know, locks and braided styles. So my hair does get a little tender and dry. So putting this oil in my scalp truly helps a lot. So yeah.
I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside.
So yep, and so I'm gonna go to bed. So I'm just gonna throw this scarf over my head, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip, because baby girl, when I tell you I could not wait to go to bed, I was so tired. And on top of that, I have to go to work the next morning. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was a quick and easy lesson for you guys to learn how to do knotless faux locks or knotless soft locks. Like I said, they look a whole lot better than when soft locks really came out, because they look a lot neater, and I feel like with them wrapped around, they do last a whole lot longer. So that's it for this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.